Hello and welcome to another episode of Wonders of Chemistry with Mickey G, and today we'll be looking at how to balance equations with polyatomic ions. Yes, polyatomic ions. A lot of you having problems with this. So what we're going to do today is just simplify it for you. If you see an equation with a polyatomic ion, you have to treat it as an entity in its own right, a unit. So in this case here, you can see that we've got the sulfate ion in sulfuric acid, and there's only one sulfate ion on the left. I am not going to break down sulfate into sulfur and 4 oxygens. I'm going to keep it together as a unit, SO4. So we've got one SO4 on the left, but we've got 3 SO4s on the right. So you can see the SO4 in the brackets multiplied by 3 to the right hand side of the brackets. And I've also color coded it for you, so that should help. Right, so let's begin. On the left hand side, we've got aluminium, and we've got 1 aluminium. On the right hand side, we've got 2. So we can rectify that by placing a number 2 in front of the aluminium. So 2 and 2. So we're happy with aluminium. Right, now we're going to move on to hydrogen. We've got 2 hydrogens on the left, and we've got 2 hydrogens on the right. So happy days with hydrogen so far. Sulfate, we've got 1 sulfate on the left, and we've got 3 sulfates on the right. Okay, so here's the issue. We've got to place a number in front of sulfuric acid that will give us 3 sulfates. So that number will be 3. So 3 times that 1 sulfate will now give us 3 sulfates. So we're happy with sulfate, but the issue now is we've now got 6 hydrogens on the left hand side, 3 times 2, and we've only got 2 hydrogens on the right, so that's not going to work. So we need to place a number here that will give us 6. 3 times 2 gives us 6, and we now end up with 6 hydrogens on the right, and the equation is balanced.